Your expensive, pretty plant pots are a total trap.
Welcome back to the Plant Crime Files. Today's gorgeous victim is a Golden Pothos plant. She was found buried alive inside a luxury, high-end ceramic pot placed in a modern living room. Imagine this. The owner paid $50 for this beautiful container just to match their apartment decor. But under that expensive, shiny surface, the helpless Pothos was living in a brutal, dark dungeon. I examined the weapon. The gorgeous ceramic pot was completely sealed. Absolutely zero drainage holes at the bottom. Is your plant trapped in a pot with no holes? Drop a kush in the comments right now. Have you ever thought about this? When you pour water in, where exactly does it go? It gets permanently trapped at the very bottom, turning the soil into a stinking, toxic mud swamp. Without drainage, gravity forces the dirt particles to compact into a hard, solid, concrete-like mud brick. This concrete soil completely seals the roots, blocking all critical gas exchange and suffocating the plant. I conducted a visual autopsy. The lower roots were a total massacre, black, slimy, and completely liquefied. The official cause of death? Asphyxiation. The Pothos literally drowned in her own beautiful, expensive ceramic coffin. But this victim was a tough Pothos. We initiated an emergency surgical rescue protocol immediately. Step 1. Excavation. We carefully removed the Pothos and washed away every single bit of toxic mud.
Step 2. Amputation. I took sharp, sterilized shears and ruthlessly cut away all liquefied, rotten black tissue. Only the firm, white, healthy air roots near the top of the Pothos stem were allowed to stay.
Step 3. The hydrogen bath. I submerged the remaining healthy roots in a diluted hydrogen peroxide solution.
This instantly destroys the deadly anaerobic bacteria and infuses the damaged root cells with fresh, pure oxygen. I let the survivor dry safely on a clean paper towel for exactly 2 hours to heal.
Step 4. The safe house. I picked a cheap plastic nursery pot with multiple massive drainage holes.
I filled it with an ultra-chunky mix, 50% potting soil, 25% perlite, and 25% orchid bark. This chunky recipe guarantees that water flows straight through, leaving plenty of breathing room for root oxygen.
I placed the Pothos inside, then dropped the plastic nursery pot right back into the ceramic accomplice.
Now, the expensive ceramic pot is just a beautiful jacket, while the plastic pot does the real work.
Never water on a schedule. Always check that the top 2 inches of soil are bone dry first.
The ceramic coffin case is officially closed. The Pothos is thriving, growing, and completely safe.
Subscribe to the Urban Leaf right now. Let's stop the indoor plant massacres together. Case closed.